So Amir Hamza has come here by this helicopter. Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. How have you been? As you can see there is a helicopter has parked at the central playground of Islamic University, and you can see there are lots of people. They are gathering here to see this helicopter, and it's very exciting time for them. Some people they are taking photos with this helicopter. Some people they are taking selfie. Now I am making this video to show you the helicopter in my video. Okay, so this is the central playground of Islamic University. So Amir Hamza has come here by this helicopter, and that's why the helicopter has parked here. Okay.